Hello, goddesses. I wanted to share a little bit with my what I've been doing with my Tiamat altar so far. I'm still working on some things and trying to make some adjustments, but I wanted to share what I have so far with you. So Tiamat for me has been really bringing up some thoughts of the practice of finding the balance between order and chaos. And so this is some of the things that I feel like are symbolically representing Tiamat. I also, of course, have a lot of thoughts about the earth as a whole. So I went and got this little globe and things on my altar that I put together here too. Some of them are from other parts of the world. This globe itself is actually from India. It's wooden, made in India. I have, of course, our sea of creation that we made as a group at our last community gathering. To sort of talk about balance, I got out my little Zen sand tray here. Some blue, of course, there's a lot of blue represented here. I wanted to do a little bit of almost like a tile underneath these tiles, these coasters. These tiles or coasters are from Turkey. And so I kind of put them down as almost like a tile platform for my altar this time. The candle's made in the USA. I have some offerings here for Tiamat, as well as some of my most powerful objects that I always keep on my altar. The salt is black volcano salt from Iceland. I have some tobacco from Cuba. And those are some of the pieces of resin that Bobby shared with me from New Mexico. And some rocks from around here. This is I indulged myself. Another piece with Tiamat, of course, was thinking about things you can do for yourself and things that maybe you let go by the wayside. And plants are very important to me. And I don't often buy nice things for myself. So I saw this beautiful sculpture that was made in Thailand, and I bought it for myself. And then it is like a vase, but I kind of I wanted to repurpose it and actually plant a new plant for myself. So I'm pretty happy with how that came out so far. And then the cards I picked, this isn't a typical tarot card, but it is from a deck that I just purchased for myself a while ago. And the card is the Visionary. And sometimes I think making order out of chaos or finding that balance takes the ability to look at things through a very long viewpoint. And so I put that card here. I chose the Wheel of Fortune mostly because it was the one that showed the cosmic nature of everything so beautifully. And it looked like a shell in the center. And then the World over here by my globe reminds me of Tiamat and how she is what makes up the entire world. And my friend Lisa, I got this from her little shop. She makes different essential oil blends, and this is a balance blend. And it caught my eye because it is in this beautiful dark blue bottle. And then it was balance blend, and I said, well, that's perfect, I need it. So that is my altar so far. I am working on a blue dragon figurine. It sort of worked out that my Dungeons and Dragons campaign that I'm in right now, we're getting to the last battle, and it is with a blue dragon. So I had a dragon from an old campaign, and I decided to paint it. And I figured I could use it for my Tiamat altar, as well as maybe in the campaign if the Dungeon Master needs it. So that's it. Thanks everyone. Sending all my love.